Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your data with Monday.com detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin recovering your data on Monday.com, log into your Monday.com account. Navigate to the left sidebar and find your desired board. Click on the board to open it. Look for the activity log located at the top right corner of the board. Select the activity log to view all recent changes made to the board. In the activity log, identify the specific item or changes you want to recover. Once found, click on the three-dot menu next to the relevant action. Choose the Restore option to revert the item to its previous state. Confirm the restoration when prompted. Return to your board to see the recovered item. If you have accidentally deleted an entire board, go to your workspace settings. Select Deleted Boards from the list. Here you will see any boards that have been deleted recently. Identify the board you wish to recover. Click the Restore button next to the board for immediate recovery. Review the restored board to ensure all data is intact. For further assistance, consult the Help Center on Monday.com for in-depth tutorials. You can also reach out to customer support if you encounter any issues during the recovery process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.